Hello everybody, I'll be your teacher for this next few weeks with our video lessons. Let's start with our first video lesson. Remember that you were talking about clothes, weren't you? Now, I would like you to go, everybody, to page 64. Today we will learn culture facts. As we've been talking about clothes this whole unit, we'll talk about traditional clothes. Have you ever worn traditional clothes? When I was in India, I remember I once wore a sari. It's a beautiful and very bright and colourful clothing. So, what traditional clothes do they wear in Spain? Do you know? Think. And when do they wear them? For example, in Catalonia, we have a traditional dancing cloth for sardanas. And in the south of Spain, women wear a spotted dress to dance sevillanas or flamenco. Now, everybody, open your books on page 64 and let's look at the traditional clothes in different countries. We have Scotland, we have Kenya, and we have another country, Guatemala. Open your books and let's listen to the audio and try to follow and read in your book. Are you ready?
Five. Listen and read. Traditional clothes. Different countries have different traditional clothes. Traditional clothes are often worn at festivals and celebrations. A kilt is a traditional patterned skirt that is worn by men, women and children on special days in Scotland. It's made of wool. This boy is also wearing a white top and long white socks. He looks very smart. He's playing the bagpipes, a traditional Scottish musical instrument. These men are watching a horse race at the Todos Santos festival in Guatemala. They are wearing hats and blue trousers. These traditional clothes are made of cotton and they look quite casual. They are worn by lots of men and boys at the festival. The Samburu people live in Kenya. Jewelry is worn by Samburu men, women and children. These women are wearing earrings, bracelets and a lot of necklaces. They are also wearing big pieces of plain or patterned fabric. They are wrapped around the body to make dresses, skirts and tops. The women are doing a traditional dance. Wow fact! The pattern on a kilt is called a tartan. Different families wear different tartans.
So, say if these statements are true or false according to the text. 1. A kilt is a traditional patterned jumper. True or false? Think. Number 2. The festival in Guatemala is called Today Santos Festival. True or false? Think. And number 3, the Samburu people live in Kenya. True or false? Think. So, the first one is true or false. It was false because it's a traditional patterned skirt, not a jumper. All right? What about number 2? The second is also false because it's called Todos Santos Festival. And number 3? What about number 3? Is true. They do live in Kenya. Well done. Now, let's move on to exercise number 3. Go to your activity book. Do you have your activity book? Open your activity book on page 57 and do activities 1 and 2. Do these exercises right after the class, the end of the class, and we will give you the answers at the beginning of the next video lesson. Good luck. Now, let's move on to exercise number 4. Let's talk about clothes in the photos. Look at the photos. Do people in your country wear traditional clothes like these? For example, do Spanish people wear kilts like the Scottish? Do Spanish people wear jewelry like the people in Kenya? Do people from Spain wear colorful patterned trousers and hats such as in Guatemala? No. Do you wear traditional clothes? Think. Tell your parents about it. Tell your parents if you wear a traditional cloth sometime during the year. Make sure it's in English though. Now, let's move on to the project. So, since we are at home, let's create a poster with the help of online resources and yourself. Project number 1. Choose a continent, such as North America, South America, Europe, where Spain is, Africa, in the south of Europe, Asia, or Australia. Choose one continent. Find out about traditional clothes in different countries. If you choose Africa, find out, Google online different traditional clothes in that country that you choose. Step 2. Find some amazing photos and choose the photos. Select. Number 3. Find interesting facts about the traditional clothes. You have the photos and find interesting facts about those traditional clothes. Number 3. Once you have the piece of paper, stick the photos on the poster and write down the interesting facts in it. Step 3. Once you have your beautiful poster with the lovely pictures and written down the interesting facts, take a picture. Take a picture of your photo or your poster and send it back to us. We will tell you all about your poster on your next video lesson. Good luck and bye for now. See you next week. Bye.